Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video number 95 now, getting close to 100. I can't believe I've done this many videos, but I love showing you guys my progress and letting you guys know about this exciting way to make a passive income. Anyways, just going to jump right into it here. We got our notifications early this morning about our earnings from last night. 0.27%. It's a lower day, but I still made $47.69. Of course, it went down a little bit from Thursday, the day before, 63.42 off of 0.36%. But hey, guys, I'm not complaining. Even though it was a lower day, 0.27%, I still made $47.69 passively for just basically doing nothing, just having the money in the system, in the Forex money invested in the Forex market, guys. So I go check my account here. I go to the dashboard and I take a look at, see, this is my portfolio here, guys. So with S Group, you can have money invested in S Forex, or the Forex market, liquidity mining, which is their own token system that they have. S Pharmaceutical, which is medical marijuana, and SIPO, which is the stocks that they have business with that does the trading automatically. So all these four system guys, except for really the S Pharmaceutical, is done with a computerized, intelligently programmed bot, and it does all the work for you. S Pharmaceutical is actually them opening up a big medical marijuana plant, growing and manufacturing those goods, and then you just basically reap the rewards off of the money they make off that. So that's how that works. But for now, I'm just invested in S4X. This company, when it started way back, or when I started, I should say, back in October of 2020, that was all that was available, was the S4X, the Forex market. So I've been growing my account since then. As you see, I'm at my principal is at 23,200, and I just been growing it ever since, taking a profit of the earnings and reinvesting it back in the system. So today is Saturday, guys, when I make this video. The earning days are Monday through Friday, so I'm not going to make any money today on the Forex market. But all in all, I made about $458. Yeah, so if you take, this is how much I made Forex, and then I made this in commissions, $61.29. So if you take that and add that together, it's about $458 and some change. And so I made that in 5 days, guys. That's pretty sweet. That's almost $100 a day, like if you do the math on that. So that's just for having the money in the system. And like I said in previous videos, I'm going to take $400 of what I make over 2 weeks. So I'm already there. I've already made the $400. My money I'm going to reinvest back into the principal. That's going to happen on this coming Friday, next week, and that 23,200 is going to jump to 23,600, and then I'm going to keep doing the same thing over and over. So the remainder I'm going to take out. So that's kind of how I'm going to do things for the next little while. So yeah, guys, if you're just kind of stumbling upon S Group, don't know a lot about it, shoot me an email in the description down below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. And if you're interested in signing up, there's a sign up link down below in the description of the video. That sign up link will allow you to join my team. And yeah, after you sign up, make sure you shoot me an email. Let me know you signed up and tell me where you are and what your name is. And I'll definitely have a conversation back and forth and fill you all up to speed with everything that is involved with S Group. It's very, very simple, guys. And you can start making money like this. This is how much money I've made all time, guys, since I started in October of 2020. So I made over $20,000 profit. Of course, as you can see, most of it I reinvested back in the system to keep growing my account, so that way I can just continuously make more money. Endless raises, guys, with this. It's beautiful. So getting near the end of this 5-minute daily review video. Also, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe link down below this video. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you can see all the updates as the weeks and months go by. It's going to be exciting by the time summertime, especially when I get past 25,000, because I'll go to the next tier. I'll make even more money, guys. So yeah, that and concludes my 5-minute daily review video. Hope you guys have a great day and see you in the next video.